Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create different types of files and documents on Google Drive. Whether you need to make a text document, spreadsheet, presentation, or more, Google Drive makes it simple to get started with new files. Let's get into it. At the top left, click on the blue New button. This opens up a drop-down menu of all the file types you can create. From here, choose the type of document or file you want to make. Let's click on Google Docs for a text document. Other options include Sheets for spreadsheets, Slides for presentations, forms, drawings, and more. A new document will open up. At the top, you'll be prompted to name the file. Give it a name that's easy to find later. You can always change the name later. Now you can start adding content. Type text, input data, add images, and edit just like any desktop program. All changes automatically save to Drive. When you're done, you can share the file by inviting others to view or edit. You can also export as a Word doc, PDF, or other formats. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can create new files right in Google Drive. Hope this video helped you learn how to easily make documents online. Let me know if you have any other questions.